Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I share my kitchen witch recipe for rose-infused honey chocolates, which can be magically crafted to bring love into your life, to strengthen friendships, romantic relationships, or to promote self-love. Let's do some magical crafting. This can be a powerful kitchen witch recipe because it takes a moon cycle or more to prepare, and you can add your magical intentions into the creation of both the honey as well as the finished chocolates. It all starts with rose-infused honey. Infuse your honey with rose petals for a moon cycle or more. Make sure to use either food-grade rose petals or roses from your own garden or a source that you know and trust. Roses from a florist are likely not a good choice because of toxic pesticides and sprays used to keep the flowers looking fresh. Used in spells to attract love and promote friendship, roses bring joy and happiness and enhance relationships. They have a powerful, positive energy that can be used for protection against negative energy and evil spirits. Roses can enhance meditation and prayer and can be used to connect with spirit guides or angels and to honor ancestors and deities. Honey is often used in love spells for its power to attract love and enhance romantic relationships. It can be used in spells or rituals focused on attracting a new love, strengthening an existing relationship, or promoting sweetness and harmony in a partnership. Honey has a sweet and persuasive energy that can help change someone's attitude or behavior, and it's used in sweetening spells to influence someone to be kinder, more loving, or more helpful. After a moon cycle or more, the roses will have infused their scent, taste, and magical properties into the honey. Use a funnel and cheesecloth or a metal strainer to strain the petals out of the honey. This takes some patience. Once you've poured it into the strainer, leave it alone and go do another activity. Let the honey strain for several hours for best results. Once the honey is strained of the rose petals, transfer it to a separate bottle. The next step is to craft the chocolate candies themselves. I used dark chocolate candy melts, but you can use any kind of chocolate that you prefer. This is a 12-ounce package of dark chocolate coins, but during the shipping process they melted in the package, and when they re-solidified, they were all stuck together. That's why they look so strange, but no matter, they will remelt just fine. I created a double boiler with a pan of boiling water and a metal bowl on top, which I used to slowly melt the candy. As the chocolate melts, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons and all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. While chocolate is not indigenous to Europe, and it doesn't have deep historical roots in European folklore or traditional magic, its uses in modern magical practices are rich and varied. Drawing inspiration from indigenous tradition, witches have integrated chocolate into rituals and magical workings for love, joy, abundance, and healing. The cacao plant is a powerful plant ally, and chocolate is a beloved ingredient in magic related to love, abundance, and healing, pleasure, joy, and sensuality. While the chocolate was melting, I set up my silicone candy molds and some extra additives for my candies. This is a good time to prepare nuts if you want to add them. I chose to chop a few almonds to add to some of my candies. Once the chocolate has melted, add 1/4 cup of the honey infusion, stirring well. I also added just a little bit of vanilla extract to the mixture. Vanilla is renowned for its sweet and enticing fragrance, making it a powerful ingredient in love spells and attraction rituals. Vanilla will attract good fortune and promote a happy home. Vanilla can also stimulate creativity and inspire artistic expression. As you stir the mixture, focus on the magical intention you have for this food. By chocolate's rich and velvet kiss, by honey's sweet and golden bliss, by rose's petals, soft and red, love and friendship will be spread. With every taste and fragrant bite, love is spread, no one will fight. Happiness is surrounding me, as I will, so mote it be. Next, it's time to quickly fill the molds with the melted chocolate. I should have melted my chocolate a little bit more, or worked a little bit more quickly, because my chocolate has started to harden. You can tell because it's less shiny than before. You may need to return your chocolate in the bowl to the hot water to keep it liquid in order to fill your molds easily. I'm adding chopped almonds and whole almonds into my candies, sometimes on the bottom, other time on the tops, to add variation. I'm also adding more crushed rose petals to decorate each candy by pressing them into the melted chocolates in the molds. Make sure to allow the chocolate to harden completely before removing the candy. These chocolates make a wonderful gift for someone you love. They're a little edible love spell, holding the love and happiness of rose petals, the sweetness and harmony of honey, and the pleasure, joy, and sensuality of chocolate.